Okay, so I have cleaned the fan blades with my zip cleaner and my Murphy multi-purpose cleaner, wood cleaner, and so I've let this sit. This is the light cover. Please take caution when you're taking this off. Remember, it has those screws that you pull out, and just hold on to it very carefully. This does get hot if you've had your light on for at least 10 to 30 minutes or above. So I try to make sure that I either turn the light off if I have enough time, or I take a microfiber or something and I hold on to it so I don't burn myself. Right now, I'm going to go rinse this out and wipe the outside, clean it. Something that I recommend is a dish brush or a bottle brush, some people call it. You put your Dawn or whatever kind of cleaner you want. I just use Dawn Power Wash and some warm water. And I swish it around and I go in there, and you're able to get every single nook and cranny in here. And then you just rinse it out. And then on the outside, you just use your favorite chemical. I use Dawn Power Wash and make sure that it's clean. I either put it down on the carpet to let it dry. If it's nice outside, I'm going to stick it outside, face down on maybe a piece of carpet or a deck or something, so I know that there are going to be no distractions for it to break or something. Okay, it's all nice and clean. Because it is winter time and it is a little bit cold outside, I decided that I'm going to take the liberty of using one of my small, thin microfiber cloths to stick my hand in here. You're going to put the whole entire thing in there, and then you're going to take your fingers and you're just going to move it around. To dry it, it's already dry, but that's how I clean them. And this is just one of many that I've cleaned. Okay? To get this back up here, you want to make sure that you be careful. Remember to always have your step ladder or ladder or whatever on the ground, and make sure that everything is in there. Make sure that okay. Okay, so you got the light up there. Remember to make sure that when you're putting that back up, I always put the light fixture up here and then make sure that it's stable. Make sure that if you have the screws out, make sure that you put them back in and you're holding your light cover constantly the whole entire time. And for more tips and tricks, please go on my YouTube channel. I have all kinds. I try to do at least one a day, maybe even one a week, whatever. And if you have any questions, put some comments below and I will do my best to try to clean something that you want me to clean. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.